Our zero-tolerance policy on drunk driving protects your drivers, your company reputation, and others on the road. But did you know that drowsy driving is just as dangerous as drunk driving? If a driver misses an hour or two of sleep, it doubles the odds they will have an incident. When a driver only sleeps 4 to 5 hours, their odds of having a crash are the same as if they were legally drunk. Severely sleep-deprived drivers who've had fewer than 4 hours of sleep are 11.5 times more likely to have a wreck. Missing 2 hours of sleep every night for more than a week creates the same cognitive impairment as staying up all night. During winter, long hours and fewer daylight hours make fatigue an even bigger problem, especially for inexperienced drivers. Do your drivers know the most effective ways to prevent and manage fatigue? ITI's 10-minute online course educates drivers on the signs of fatigue, fatigue prevention, what to do if you feel drowsy, cumulative fatigue, and sleep apnea. Online driver training from ITI is a simple, proven way to reduce incidents and help get everyone home safe. Leading fleets like Ashley Home Store, Frito-Lay, and FedEx Partners trust ITI to protect drivers and their bottom line. Learn more about ITI's online training packages and custom training options for your fleet